Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 9th, आज हम आपकी इंग्लिश किताब का जो हमने टॉपिक पिछले क्लास में पढ़ा था, हाउ ए क्लाइंट वाज सेव्ड, उसी को कंटिन्यू करेंगे। तो आज का हमने देखा यहाँ तक हमने देखा था कि ये जो टॉपिक है, इट इज़ बेसिकली अबाउट ऑनेस्टी। अ मैन शुड बी ऑनेस्ट, ह्यूमन बींग्स मस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट, दे शुड अडॉप्ट द पॉलिसी ऑफ ऑनेस्टी इन एवरी अफेयर ऑफ देयर लाइफ। यहाँ पर जो है ये जो लेसन है, इट हैज़ बीन रिटन बाय गांधी जी, M.K. गांधी। तो यहाँ से हम देखेंगे आज क्या होता है। पारसी रुस्तम जी जो है वो एक जुर्म कर बैठता है, स्मगलिंग में वो अपने आप को फंसाता है। और हालांकि वो हर एक चीज़ जो है गांधी जी के साथ डिस्कस करता था, ज़िंदगी का हर एक चीज़ वो गांधी जी के साथ डिस्कस करता था। बट एज फार एज this smuggling is concerned, he has kept this thing secret from Gandhi. Now we will see what happened next. I calmed him and said, to save or not to save you is in his hands. Gandhi, M.K. Gandhi, the writer, says that I calmed him and said, when Parsi Rustam ji told him that you must save me, यू मस्ट प्रोटेक्ट मी, आपको मुझे बचाना चाहिए यहाँ पर। तो गांधी सेज दैट आई calmed him and said, I made him cool and said, and he told him that to save or not to save is in his hands. Gandhi told Parsi Rustam ji that if you want to save yourself, this is all in your hand, in his hands, and to me you know, and as to me you know my way, I can but try to save you by means of confession. But Gandhi told him that you are knowing me well, I will try, he will try his best to save Parsi Rustam ji, but you have to confess. इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, आपको कन्फेशन करना पड़ेगा। यू हैव टू एक्नॉलेज दैट यू हैव डन दिस बैड वर्क, यू हैव आपने ये जुर्म किया है। द गुड Parsi felt deeply mortified. He was humiliated. Parsi felt himself humiliated. He was humiliated. He felt some humiliation, but is not my confession before you enough, he said. But Parsi Rustam ji told him that yes, I will confess before you, I will acknowledge before you, but this is not enough. इतना ही काफ़ी नहीं है मैं आपके सामने एक्नॉलेज करूँगा, मैं आपके सामने जुर्म करूँगा, एक बार जुर्म करूँगा, बट दिस इज़ नॉट इनफ, ये काफ़ी नहीं है। You have wronged not me but the government. Gandhi told him that, the writer told him that you have not wronged only me, आपने मेरे साथ ही गलत नहीं किया, but the government, but you have wronged also the government, आपने गवर्नमेंट के साथ भी गलत किया। How will the confession made before me avail you? I replied gently. तो आप मेरे सामने ये कन्फेशन करोगे, how will this confession made before me avail you? How this can profit you? I replied, means writer replied, how this confession, if you will confess before Gandhi, before him, how this will help you? Of course, I will do just as you advise, but will you not consult with my old counsel, Mr. Dash? Parsi Rustam ji told Gandhi that yes, of course he will confess before him, he will take his advice, but one thing is there, you have to consult my old counsel. आपको मेरे जो पुराना काउंसल है, जो पुराना वकील है, उसके साथ बात करनी पड़ी। he is a friend too. He is also a friend. He is also a friend to him, said Parsi Rustam ji. Inquiry reveals that the smuggling had been going on for a long time. Gandhi told him that as far as the inquiry of this matter is concerned, it reveals that it shows that you have been smuggling since a very long time. आप बहुत मुद्दत से स्मगलिंग करते आ रहे हैं. But the actual offense detects involved a tripping sum. But the actual guilt, it shows that it detects involved a tripping sum. It is an unimportant. Tripping means unimportant. We went to his counsel. Now after that, writer says that they went to his counsel. वो उसके काउंसिल के पास चले गए. He perused the papers and said, after reading the papers carefully, perused means reading carefully. When the counsel read his papers carefully, and he later said, the case will be tried by a jury. This case will be solved by a jury. This will be first seen by a jury. Jury क्या होती है? Jury जो होते हैं, जो जजेस होते हैं, 2-4 जजेस होते हैं जो बाद में फैसला करते हैं, that is called a jury. So this case will be tried by a jury. This will be listened by a jury, heard by a jury, and a neutral jury will be the last to acquit an Indian. So, and the there's a jury, and there is one jury, that is the neutral jury. This will be the last jury to acquit an Indian, to give a legal decision about an Indian. Acquit means legal decision. जो आखिरी फैसला होगा, लीगल डिसीजन होगा, वो तो नेतल जूरी ही दे सकती. बट आई विल नॉट गिव अप होप, एंड आई विल नॉट लीव होप. गिव अप मीन्स छोड़ना. मैं आई विल नॉट लेफ्ट होप, मैं उम्मीद नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I did not know this counsel intimately. Parsi Rustam ji intercepted. Parsi Rustam ji, not going further, he stopped and said that he is not knowing this counsel very closely. He is not knowing this counsel very closely. Intimately means very closely. I thank you, but I should like to be guided by Mr. Gandhi's advice in this case. He told him, I thank him. He thanked him, and he told him that he should be guided by the M.K. Gandhi, Mr. Gandhi. He should take the advice of the Gandhi in this case. He knows me intimately, because Gandhi is knowing him very closely. Intimately means very closely. Of course, you will advise him whenever necessary, and you, the counsel, you will advise M.K. Gandhi whenever he felt your need. Having thus shelved the counsellor's question, now he postponed the counsellor's question. We went to Parsi Rustam ji's shop. Now after that they went to Parsi ji's shop. Parsi Rustam ji's shop. So I think this is sufficient for today, because it creates problem for the huge these videos to download. Here are some words. Confession means acknowledgement. Mortify means humiliate. Avail means profit to someone. Reveal means show offense, guilt. Trifling means unimportant. Peruse means read carefully. Acquit, give a legal decision that somebody is not guilty of an offense. Intimately means closely. Intercept means prevent from going further. Shallow means postpone. We will see tomorrow inshallah what will happen in the story. Have a nice day. Thank you.